Good morning, students. Let's start our chapter electricity. And today we will discuss the numerical based on combination of resistance. Combination of resistance we have studied of two types, that is series combination and parallel combination. So one by one, stepwise, let us see what we can do based on that. First question is, three resistors 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in series. What is their equivalent resistance? Question is saying that three resistors are given. So if we can draw this circuit, just we can draw it series connection 2 ohm, one resistor, 3 ohm, another resistor and 5 ohm, one more resistor, and this is connected in series. So let me write 2 ohm, 3 ohm and 5 ohm. And you know, in series, that is end to end connection and current remains constant. So formula, I think you are remembering. Let us write first what is given. Answer for this. Given, let us take R1, R2 and R3. R1 is equal to 2 ohm, R2 is equal to 3 ohm and R3 is equal to 5 ohm. Formula we know, R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. And so we will get this one as 2 plus 3 plus 5, that is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, 10 ohm. So your answer is 10 ohm. One thing you are remembering, when we have studied conclusion of series combination, we have studied one point, that equivalent resistance is more than the maximum value of individual resistance. So you see, maximum value of individual resistance is 5 ohm and equivalent resistance is 10 ohm. That means it is more than that of 5 ohm. Like this we will solve. Come for next question. One circuit is given. In this, two resistors are given. One is 10 ohm, another is 15 ohm, and third value of resistor is only R. Let us see the question. The equivalent resistance of the circuit is 8 ohm. Beforehand only equivalent resistance is given. Calculate the value of R. So what is given? Let us write first. Equivalent resistance, that means we are writing R equivalent is equal to 8 ohm. Let us take R1 and R2. R1 is given 10 ohm. This we have taken R1 and this one we have taken R2. So R2 is given 15 ohm. R we have to find out. This type of problem, first we have to think, what is the type of combination? Whether it is series or parallel or both. Let us start at this point, one common point A. We have studied in parallel combination that current divides. That means current is not constant. So if the current is coming through point A, it will go in both the branches of R1 and R2, which proves that R1 and R2 are parallel. And for parallel combination, you know the formula, that is 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. And we will get this one as 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. Take the LCM, that is 150, and this one is 15 plus 10, that is 25 by 150. Whenever we have to take R equivalent, just we reverse it. So we will get R equivalent is equal to 150 by 25, and this is nothing but 6 ohm. So we have got for this, both this equivalent resistance is 6 ohm. Now when both the end combine, and again one common point we have got, and this we see that R is there. That means this R is series with this. If equivalent resistance you will draw in the figure, let me show you how it will come. Just like this. This will become R, and equivalent we have found out, this will become 6 ohm. So finally you have got the conclusion that both the resistance are connected in series. So apply the formula, very easily you will get it. R equivalent is equal to R parallel plus R series, or R, because this R is in series and we are finding out the value of this resistor R. R equivalent is here in the question, same, it is given 8 ohm. So we put 8 ohm is equal to R parallel, we have got 6 ohm plus R. So the value of R that you will get it, that is 8 minus 6, which is equal to 2 ohm. Again, let us proceed some more questions.